If you want to do above 2 digit, this is the solution.
Oh, okay.
This is Abacus. This is like outside cover. This is the inside thing. This is Abacus. Here, what is there? Here, this blue line is ones. Then this white is tens. Green is hundreds. And this is thousand. So here, if you see 1, 2, it goes till 9. And 10th one will not go. So 10 comes here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. The 100 will not go because there is space only for 9. So 100 comes here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 900. 1000 will not go here because there is no space. 1000 will come here. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. So here, the maximum number which you can make is 9,999. 4 digit. This is for 2 digit. This is for 4 digit. Concept same, place value. Okay. So here now if you can, somebody can tell me what is the number on the abacus right now. This is 1000, this is 100, this is tens, this is one. So what is the number?
So the blue line is 10.
This is ones. Tens, 100, 1000. If you can tell me,
so
then you have understood.
2000. Yeah. 2000. 200. Wait. Let me calculate. So the red is a 2000. The green is 100.
Yeah, 100.
So 2100. Then white is 10. So
10.
2119.
Yeah.
So 90.
19, 1919. So
Yeah,
this is 2000, 100, 1 and 9, 19. 2119 is the number.
Okay.
There are two counters in the 1000 place. So this 2000, 1 in the 100, so it's 100. Then 1 in the 10, so 10, and these are the 9. So in this way, we can tell children to make different numbers. Make 343. They will make 456. They will make. You can ask them to make different numbers. Alternatively, you can write a number on the blackboard and tell them to make on the abacus. Like you can tell them to make 2119. So they will make like this. So here we were making numbers till 100. Here we are going till 1000. This is 4 digit. This is 2 digit. Concept is same. Everything what can be done here can be done here also. Here also we can do addition and subtraction. Like, you can 232 plus 111, like that we can do addition and subtraction. Here also we will do addition and subtraction.